Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually install the Antutu Benchmark test application in any Android device in the year 2026. So let's get started, guys. So first thing is that try to open the browser in your device. So once you open the browser, in the Google search or any other search bar, type and Antutu Benchmark, as you can see. So once you type that, you do get plenty of options here. So try to go to the download section. So you can directly click on the download. So once you click on the download, you will get this kind of menu option, as you can see, guys, clearly. So right now you need to select the first option. So which is a version 11 right now, which is available. Click on the first option, whatever it is displayed. And right now it's downloading at this moment, as you can see, guys. So which is the latest version at this moment, it's downloading. So once that application is downloaded, you can install that. So let me try to install it and show you the next step. So this is a step 1. So step 1 is installing this application. So step 2 involves installing Antutu Benchmark 3D benchmark application. So try to go to this application and click agree. After that, click on this install and test, as you can see. So once you click on that, it will take to the Google Play Store, but it will be not there. Try to go back, again click on that, and now click on the download option. So right now we are downloading the Antutu 3D benchmark as well at this moment. So this is a step 2. So only 2 APKs you need to install. So one is Antutu Benchmark application and second one is the 3D benchmark Antutu Benchmark application. So this will take some time, because this size is about close to 1 GB size, and this Antutu Benchmark application size is 160 MB size. So I'm just letting you guys know regarding the exact size as well, so that you can plan accordingly. If you are using the mobile data, if you want to know about the size, these are information. So overall it takes about close to 1.3 GB to completely install this Antutu Benchmark test application. So in this way, you can use this application to test the storage test as well, which is a UFS storage, read and write speeds. You can do the demonstration out there, and even you can do the LCD test also, which is also possible, and multi-touch test. There are plenty of options where you can utilize in this Antutu Benchmark test application. Not only that benchmark scores, but you can actually use plenty of different calibrations as well. So charging test, storage test, and everything, you can do that. So this is a quick information, guys, how you can actually install. So again, I'll be back after some time once this installation has been done. So right now, once after the Antutu Benchmark 3D benchmark has been downloaded, it will ask for the permission to install it. So let's allow that, and let me to click on the Antutu Benchmark 3D bench. So right now we are installing the 3D bench as well. So once this installation has been done, the complete setup has been finished successfully. So now you got Antutu Benchmark test application installed in this device. So in this way, you will be able to test the performance in your device by installing the Antutu Benchmark test. Click on the done. Now go back. The test will continue. You can close that and reopen again this application. So in this way, you will be able to test the performance of your device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description for the live wallpapers in case if you're interested. Until then, signing off, and bye.